Hi and welcome to my third and final part of tutorials for Evil Genius. I thought for the last tutorial I'd basically take you through my most complete base design to date. I suppose I could say that this is probably the most accomplished design I've been able to create, and I just want to take you through a few of its more salient features. So basically, similar to other designs, I've installed a stalling security-based corridor to my only entrance. You can see this is covered by this collection of security cameras. I think what's one of the most successful things about this base design is that there are these two feeder corridors that lead into this snaked corridor. So this corridor here under the mouse and this corridor over on the right here, all these doors are guarded by men because they're on the 4 key code, and all these doors here are guarded. So basically you've got two feeding corridors of guards and security that will work their way around and into this snaked structure here. So it's highly effective in terms of interrupting and usually dispatching any enemies that dare attempt to enter this stronghold. So with an extremely efficient security system, we're going further into the base, the bio tanks here for freak production, up into a double-doored secure freezer unit, and then further into the base, the lengthy power supply over here, and then into the barracks. And what we've got in the barracks, we've also got a parallel security area which I'm just using for gun storage, to allow for quick access for any of the minions that will be spending time in the barracks to get to these guns over here. Further in, the barracks leads to the treasury here with the gold enhancer, one of the most expensive pieces of equipment in the game. Quick access into the barracks, and then a room of security with a through line into one of my trophy corridors. This trophy corridor leads quite a way up to the control room. Also I've had fun with putting the inner sanctum here, so minions are constantly walking through it and feeling the benefits of Madam's influence ring. The second favourite thing about this design is basically the inner corridor section, which surrounds direct access to the crater. What I like about this inner corridor here under the mouse is that I've not only used it to store trophies, but it also leads to all of the individual service areas and service rooms for the minions. So staff room, infirmary, mess hall, archives, etc. So these two areas, the inner corridor with direct access to the crater and the build of the Doomsday rocket itself. Leading on from there, the latter stages of the base. So here we have the research area, and finally leading into 3 more sections of training, 3 rooms there, another few down here, all in the same corridor, these training areas, and then a final area here. In the centre of the base there is a trophy maze, which I'm still working on, which will be the final part of the structure and the design itself. So as I say, probably the most complete design yet, and maybe by having a look and seeing the configuration of the various areas, you might be able to get some ideas about how to go about planning your base. So a final flyover of various areas, leaving you back with the entrance itself into the security, moving in through the barracks, through security, down trophy corridors, into service areas, control room, in the sanctum, research, and finally the training areas with the trophy maze, the last part of this particular design. So thanks again, hope you enjoyed it. I do plan to do 3 more tutorials soon, those ones all based on layouts for Island 1. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye now, bye for now.